Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Opportunity to thrive. Out of your challenges, strength is renewed and you realize your power. Out of your challenges, insight and inspiration springs forth for your journey to success. Don't fight the challenges. See it as an opportunity to overcome and thrive. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I try to do this. I try to do it all the time. Try to overcome things, see if there's something that's in the way of something that I want to do. What I try to do is just calm my vibrations down and just follow the doors that open. Stop fighting it, because that's not going to work. It might work for a little while and then it'll blow up in your face. It always blows up in my face when I try to force things to go through. And it's not meant to be if you're trying to force it, I believe. I truly believe that you should just follow the doors that open. Life can be as easy as you want it to be. I believe that it's all your thoughts and your actions create whatever it is that you're upset about. I believe it's your thoughts. If you can control your thoughts, stay calm, be persistent in what you want, and just follow the doors that open. Again, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.